In this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract background music from any video of your choice, whether from Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram.
Believe in your, don't fear.
So I wanted to watch how I'm going to separate the vocals from the music of this video, and of course how you can find any background music in case you want to use them in any of your videos. So first you have to come here to your Play Store and download the MP3 video downloader or any other video downloader. Here we're going to be uploading the video file we have to convert it into an audio file, right? We don't want the video, we just want it to be in an audio form. So after converting it by clicking on this, you can go ahead to check it out to see the audio actually. So now you come here to your Chrome browser and you're going to search for vocal remover. You see this first website that pops out here. You can see this is the website we're going to be using. So you come here to browse file. So the audio you just converted, you're going to come here to upload it into this website. Once you upload it, you can see in a few seconds it's going to generate a separate file for the audio and a separate file for the vocals, which is very interesting. Basically what this website did was just to separate the music from the vocals. So let's see how it sounds.
Dream big, work hard, stay positive.
So once you've been able to separate this, what you need to do is come in here to reduce the volume of the vocals and just leave the music high, and then you go ahead to just save the music right there in MP3 format. So once you're done with that, you're good to go. Now we need to identify the song. You come here to download the Shazam app, and then you come here to play the song or the audio, right? That's the music that you just extracted. Once you're playing that, the way Shazam works, it's you just come to Shazam, and once it listens to the song, it automatically identifies it. So let's see how that's gonna work. You see that? So this is the title of the song. So you can go ahead to try this out and see how it works. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.